Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I have truly traveled to Christmas land. I am losing it. I am feeling all of the festive cheer as these days have been surmounting. Every single day, there's more magic. This is a tradition now. Like Madam Glam Advent calendar has made my Decembers so special. So I cannot wait. This is day 14. So what does the Advent have in store? I am also so excited because each time we get a new limited edition baddie, we get to contribute to the Advent haul, and soon I'm going to be able to do the first look with all of these goodies. So for day number 14, we have Orion, which is just making me think of Orion's belt and all of the interplanetary bliss. I'm also totally transported to Men in Black time. It's just bringing me back right to the movie. But this is all of the holiday movies, truth be told. This is definitely all of the cream, all of the eggnog, even some latte up in there. Ooh, I cannot wait to swatch this stunning cream nude. This is so beautiful, and it's giving me all of the coffee. I even want to go to the chocolate factory with this. It's so delectable. This looks like a mocha. This is just giving me all of the vibes. I also think this would pair so beautifully with gingerbread. What I'm really loving is they're not just giving us the traditional red and green. They're giving us so many more beautiful, stunning colors that we can do so much with. Like, this is also screaming sweater weather. This cream is so beautiful, and I'm pretty sure in the Boston collection, I call it the Boston Babes, but it was the Boston Gel Party. There was a series of chocolates and nudes that were so delectable, but upon looking at this, she's an honorable mention. Like, she could go and be a part of that collection because this is just so delicious. I love the coverage. The opacity is insane. And the name is just so stinking precious. Like, get out of here. I'm definitely feeling the eggnog vibes with this, though. Oh, she is so beautiful. I cannot wait to see what day 15 has in store for us because all of these colors have been so breathtaking. And I also just want these, this haul to start developing so that I can do all of the looks. I always love to do an Advent look that's just the goodies out of the calendar. So I wanted to make sure that we got our goodies collected all up so we could make all of the magic. This is just a huge love project of mine, and I can't tell you how much it means every day. You guys coming into these daily videos, your beautiful comments, you guys are the sweetest ever, and I cannot wait to give back. There's going to be 2 giveaways, y'all. I'm going to be giving more details in the upcoming videos. So make sure you have your notification bells on so you don't miss any of that magic. Because this is the season of giving, and I want to give back too. I love you all so stinking much, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching.